so their warranty is limited to the replacement of the original purchase. Okay, so that's no problem. We got that covered. What's this? Paint to match. Okay, so it's paintable. Coupon inside for TST. Orange power. Okay, so I got two of them, one for gray, one for the black holding tank. So these are the parts that come with. Let's see. You got the head, the intake pipe, and the faceplate. And you got your 3 Phillip head screws. What you need is a utility knife or putty knife, 100% silicone caulk. Of course, we use this stuff for the rubber roof. 3 30-second drill bit. It says no drilling required. No, it says no drilling into the roof. Phillips head screwdriver. Oh, I just saw a note. What's this note say? The Cypress RV holding tank vent was engineered to fit the majority of RV holding tank vent pipes. 1.5-inch PVC and ABS adapters are available at local plumbing and hardware stores. Okay, so they're designed for a 1.5-inch pipe. Other than that, you have to get an adapter. Automatically rotates with the wind. Yep, already been through that. Okay. This camera sure is having a hard time. Okay, so here we go. Number 1, determine which vent pipe is to be fitted with the Cyclone. Black, gray, or both. Carefully remove existing RV vent cap. Remove any remaining sealant and clean thoroughly. Be extremely careful not to damage the RV roof. If damage does occur, use Camco's Protect RV Rubber Roof Patch Kit. Of course, they got to sell another product of their own. Okay, so you locate that. And here's this. Slip faceplate over the cover vent pipe. Carefully slide Cyclone intake pipe onto existing vent pipe as far as possible without pushing or pulling on the Cyclone's head. Cyclone RV holding tank vented needs to be able to rotate freely in order to work efficiently. Okay, then come down to here. Okay, ensure Cyclone remains in place during motion. Slide faceplate up Cyclone intake pipe and very carefully drill 3 holes through the intake and vent pipe with a 3 30-second drill bit. Space holes evenly apart as close as possible to the bottom of the intake pipe, otherwise the screws will protrude past the faceplate. Okay, so you want them as low as possible. Insert screws and tighten until snug. Do not over tighten. So you want them as low as possible so the faceplate, so they're not caught onto right here. That faceplate has to come down without letting the screws try to go through the inside of the faceplate. So you want them as close to the bottom as possible. Okay, and 4. Caulk areas listed below to ensure assembly is watertight and can draw odors out most effectively. Allow caulk to cure per manufacturers. Round intake pipe base between Cyclone intake vent, between faceplate and intake pipe, between faceplate and roof. So basically, there's A, there's B, there's C. Make sure Cyclone will rotate freely. Works most efficiently when mounted vertically. Okay. Faceplate is to be cocked flush to the roof. Okay. So that's what we got. There's all the instructions right there. And this is what we already read on the front and the back. Okay, here's the parts. This is the faceplate. See how it spins freely. Spins freely. Okay. So, what's it look like in there? Just like a little vortex thingy, I guess. Okay. And here's the faceplate, and here are the 3 screws. So this will go over this. Boom. Then you want it to come down, so you want the screws to be under this part right here so it doesn't interfere, which really doesn't leave you a lot of room. You're like borderlining it right there, and it better be flush all the way down, because this is not that thick, maybe a 1/4 inch at the max. And so you got that, and then you got this, how it'll turn freely. Okay, because these screws go on that other side. Those screws, it'll be drilling holes like here, here, and here at the very lips. Okay, that's all I got for now. Okay, just finished putting the screws in. As you can see right here, I got all 3 of them in there. I don't know, the sun's so bright out it's hard to tell what you see, but anyways, got all 3 of them in there. I cleaned this already. I'm just taking up some of the loose stuff now. Okay, and I'm gonna throw some die-core down. Let that land on the die-core. Okay. Okay, finished product. That's how that goes. There's the other one over there. And I just noticed we have a 3rd one. That one I don't think I could change though. I might have to look at that one, see if I have room. Darn it. Didn't realize I had a 3rd one till just now. I will see what I could do. Okay, that's it for now.